everyone. Today we will understand what are all the three pillars of Azure policies. So, by seeing this, we will understand how the Azure policy get the impact to our resources. So, let us see the pillars of Azure policies. So, these are all the three pillars. Let us see one by one. So, first is the real-time enforcement and compliance assessment. Let us say for a policy would block the creation of resources that are located outside US region. So, each policy also provide compliance assessment on all our existing resources to bring a state of compliance for each resources. This is one of the examples. So we cannot create resources outside the US if we created policy like that. So similarly, we can create one compliance assessment to all our resources, and then the data then powers the compliance view so that one can see the aggregate result across all of the applied policies. So a policy that can be used to ensure that resource group are getting tagged properly and automatically inheriting those tags from the resource group down to the resources. So that one also, this is if you are applying tags to a resource group means, so it can be inherited to it is first itself it will be tagged properly as per the given values, and it will automatically inherited to those tags to the resources in that particular resource group. Next is the applying policies at scale by leveraging management groups. So, by assigning a policy to a management group can impact hundreds of subscriptions. We can have hundreds of subscriptions. So, all of its reach resources through a single policy assignment. So, applying one single policy, we can apply hundreds of this policy can impact hundreds of subscriptions. So there is one more concept called policy initiative that allow us to group policies together, like kind of policies together. So that will give us a policy initiative so that we can see the aggregated compliance result. At the initiative level, there is also a concept called exclusion, where one can exclude either the child management group's subscription resource group or resources from the policy assignment. There is an option we can exclude some resources from this policy initiative, or even it could be a single policy definition. Group of policies is called initiative. A single policy is definition. We will call it, applying one single policy, we will call it as policy definition. So next is the third pillar of policy is the remediation by leveraging a remediation policy. So what by this we can automatically remediate the non-compliant resources so that our environment always stay compliant. Suppose for example, existing resources that are flagged as non-compliant means, but they don't automatically change because there can be impact to the environment. For those cases, we can create the remediation talks to bring these resources to compliance. So these are all the three main pillar of functionalities of Azure policy, and Azure policy is free service to use. So we can apply any number of policies to our resources. So let us see some other concept like this in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.